Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can transfer files from WeTransfer. Now for that, first of all, open a browser on your PC, then open a new tab and on the search bar you type in WeTransfer.com and press enter. This will direct you to the web page of the WeTransfer. Now once you're at the WeTransfer web page, here at the left side you will see a box where you will be needing to provide a information. That is, first of all, you select or upload files that you want to transfer through WeTransfer. You click on the plus icon and you choose the file that you want to send. After that, you type in the email address that you want to send this file to. That is the recipient email address to whom you want to send this file. You type in the recipient email address and below you type in your own email address. So I'm going to type in my very own email address on this box. Now here this will be the title of the file that you will be sending, and here you can type in any message that you want regarding the file that you have sent. I'm just gonna type in this random message over here. Once it's done, you just need to click on transfer. As I am transferring or as I am sending a file from WeTransfer for the very first time, you will need to verify your email address. For that, WeTransfer has sent verification code to your mail. So I'm going to go check my mail over here. And here you can see on the very top the mail from WeTransfer. You click open that. You copy the code and you paste it on this empty text field. Click on verify and the transferring of file will take place, and within a certain period of time your files will be transferred from your email address to the recipient email address. And here you can see the transfer account details. This is how you can easily send a file from WeTransfer. Hope this video was useful on how you can send files from WeTransfer. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.